Welcome to Autopedia, your go-to source for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the exterior design and features of the highly anticipated 2026 Holden Commodore HSV GTS, a name synonymous with Australian muscle and performance, and a legend in its own right. The Commodore has a long and rich history, especially in the realm of high-performance vehicles. For over 4 decades, the Holden Commodore has been a symbol of power, innovation, and Australian engineering prowess. The HSV GTS, specifically, has always been the crown jewel in Holden's performance lineup. Now, with the 2026 model, Holden has brought this icon back with a fresh and bold design, pushing the limits of what we expect from a performance sedan. In a post-Holden manufacturing era, this revival has sparked significant excitement among enthusiasts and critics alike. The 2026 HSV GTS continues to embody aggressive styling, but this time with a more refined and futuristic twist. Holden has blended muscle car heritage with contemporary aesthetics, resulting in a striking vehicle that commands attention from every angle. The front end is where the drama starts, with the low-slung, wide stance that immediately communicates power and presence. The angular lines and sculpted panels contribute to an aggressive look, while the prominent grille, adorned with the HSV badge, leaves no doubt that this car means business. At the front, the 2026 HSV GTS features a bold, hexagonal grille that dominates the fascia. The grille is flanked by sleek, full LED headlights with a new, sharper design that gives the car an intimidating glare on the road. The lights incorporate matrix technology for enhanced visibility and a dynamic look. Daytime running lights outline the headlight clusters, providing a distinct light signature that makes the GTS instantly recognizable. The aggressive air intakes, located beneath the grille, are both functional and aesthetic. These intakes help channel airflow to the powerful engine while also adding to the car's overall menacing demeanor. Moving to the side, the silhouette of the 2026 HSV GTS emphasizes its performance capabilities. The car sits low to the ground, enhancing its aerodynamics, and features sharp character lines that run the length of the body. These lines, combined with wide, flared wheel arches, give the GTS a muscular, planted stance. Holden has paid special attention to the aerodynamics of this model, incorporating subtle, yet functional, design elements, such as air vents and side skirts, to reduce drag and improve airflow at high speeds. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels further accentuate the car's aggressive persona. These lightweight, high-performance wheels not only improve handling but also offer a visually stunning design with their intricate spoke pattern. Behind them, you'll find massive Brembo brakes, a testament to the car's serious performance capabilities. The brakes, encased in striking red calipers, add a splash of color and contrast to the otherwise dark and menacing look of the GTS. The rear of the 2026 HSV GTS is equally impressive, with the focus on both form and function. A bold rear diffuser dominates the lower portion of the car, housing a quad exhaust system that not only looks aggressive but also ensures optimal exhaust flow for enhanced performance. These tailpipes are finished in matte black, further enhancing the sporty appearance, and emit a deep, throaty growl that's synonymous with the HSV GTS lineage. Above the diffuser, the sleek, slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, providing a sharp contrast to the muscular body. These taillights are connected by a gloss black trim piece, which adds a touch of sophistication to the otherwise rugged rear design. A subtle rear spoiler sits atop the trunk, providing downforce at high speeds without interrupting the clean lines of the car. The overall rear design is aggressive, aerodynamic, and purposeful, reinforcing the performance-oriented nature of the GTS. Holden has offered a range of exciting color options for the 2026 HSV GTS. Each hue is designed to complement the aggressive design and give buyers a way to personalize their vehicle. The GTS comes in colors like Phantom Black, Son of a Gun Gray, and Red Hot. Each of these finishes is designed to highlight the car's sharp lines and sculpted body, while the metallic finishes add depth and dimension to the paint. The gloss black accents found throughout the exterior on the mirrors, window surrounds, and rear spoiler will further enhance the car's aggressive appeal. Every inch of the 2026 HSV GTS's exterior is crafted with performance in mind. The hood features functional vents to help dissipate heat from the engine bay. These vents not only serve a practical purpose but also give the front end an extra layer of aggression. The front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser are all made from lightweight materials like carbon fiber, reducing overall weight and enhancing the car's handling and performance on the road. The 2026 Holden Commodore HSV GTS is a car that looks fast even when standing still. Its exterior design is the perfect blend of aggression, sophistication, and functionality. Every detail, from the front grille to the rear spoiler, has been meticulously crafted to enhance both performance and aesthetics. Holden has truly outdone itself with this model, bringing the GTS name into the future while staying true to its muscle car roots. If you're looking for a car that turns heads and delivers serious performance, the 2026 HSV GTS is hard to beat. Thanks for tuning into Autopedia. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Holden Commodore HSV GTS exterior, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.